Welcome to this tutorial on how to read multiple barcodes at once in C#. Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to learn how to use the IronBarcode library in C# to read multiple barcodes from images. So for this purpose, I have created a project in the Visual Studio. So you want to make sure that you have got the IronBarcode library downloaded into your project. And you can do that, of course, using the NuGet package manager. I've already done so we're just going to close that NuGet tab and we're going to move straight to the program CS file where I've already written the code to read multiple barcodes at once. Now to use IronBarcode, import it at the top of the code with the using keyword. And next we'll set up the options for our barcode reader. So we want to read multiple barcodes. So set the accept multiple barcodes property to true. And for barcode type, we're just going to focus on one-dimensional barcodes. You can select any kind of barcode supported by barcode encoding, for example, code 128. Okay, now comes the exciting part, reading the barcodes from an image. And we're going to use the barcode reader read method to achieve this complex task with just one simple line of code. We'll pass the image and options as the argument to the read method and retrieve outputs in the results variable. So finally, let's process the results using a for each loop and print out each barcode information that we've read using console write line. Okay, let's execute the program and wait for the processing to happen. There you go. Let's open the image side by side to the output for comparison. So you can see on the console that the information for multiple barcodes is perfectly processed and displayed using IronBarcode. And this can be incredibly useful for various applications, such as automating data entry or tracking products. And feel free to explore the IronBarcode library further to unlock more barcode-related functionalities. All right, that's all for today. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. But if you'd like to get started using IronBarcode, there's a link down below that you can click on. It'll take you to the free license trial, and you can download IronBarcode today and experience its power firsthand.